Oh, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girls collaboration. So welcome, welcome, welcome. This is our December collaboration for Christmas. And I am going to, let's see, a playlist will be pinned down in the comments, so please check that out. Watch everybody in full, please. It takes, a lot of work to gather this many women together in a collaboration and pull it off flawlessly, and Pumpkin does do it each and every month, so give props to Pumpkin. We are going to dive in with our Manny. We have got Harley Marie here with us today, wearing this beautiful, beautiful, luscious red polish. I am sporting it also myself, but I think it looks better on her. This is unfortunately, a Halloween polish. At least that's how I take it. It is called, Girlz Lotion. Oh no, it's not. Girlz Night Out. I'm sorry. So that's it. But I think this is just beautiful for Christmas. I really do. I have applied 2 coats. I have on a coat of Sèche fast drying top coat. I've given it time to rest, to settle underneath, to make sure everything was nice and fast and dry. And now we're going to go in with some stamping. I haven't done stamping in a while, but this is kind of where I started out when I started my YouTube channel, with painting nails and stamping. So I'm kind of returning to my roots here. I got something in my eyeball. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about this collaboration. I don't know what I'm doing yet on these nails. I'm gonna kind of wing it. I know, of course, I'm gonna have the thumbnail where it's probably, just gonna be a couple bling. I just love this polish, I really do. So I'm gonna get that out of my way. I am going to be using, where are they? A stamping plate by Born Pretty 187. I think this is really super cute. Love, love, love. This was given to me by a dear friend, Shirley. And I have got one by Beauty Big Bang. Ooh, 031. I like the snow and the rain here. I like the trees. Well, I like all the images actually, but I think I'm going to be using, well, I'm not really sure yet. And I probably shouldn't be using my nails for this, right? That's the way I'm going. Okay, oh, there we go. Now we gotta start. I was gonna say I wasn't gonna be able to get it off. Before you start, prime your plates. I'm not prepared for that, so give me just a quick second here. You can take whichever you prefer. If you prefer acetone, use acetone. If you prefer regular polish remover, which I do, for this, clean your plate. So there you go. Like I said, I'm not sure where I'm going with any of these. I've not planned this out yet. I'm going to so wing it. I have got my Ice Cube Stamper by Maniology. I do have a 10% off code there, as well as a few other places, so check out my description box for those. I am going to be using 3 polishes by Maniology. The green is Northern Lights. You have your Bam White. And Mirror Mirror is like a, I'm going to call this a silver, gunmetal gray, but I'm going to use it. Somehow, some way, I'm going to use it. So for right now, I'm going to pause so I can figure out what I'm doing. So please stay tuned. Alright, we're back, and I believe I have this figured out what I'm going to do. So I'm going to dive right in and kind of work my way backwards, I guess. So I'm going to take my, oh, I don't have a scraper out. I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm back. Now I think I'm organized. I have got my stamping polishes. I've got my 2 plates, my Maniology scraper. I have got my roller to clean my stamper. Okay, I think we're ready to go now. I've removed my cap from my stamper. This is also a brand new stamper, so I'm going to clean it with my lint roller. Just because I am going to take, let's see, my white and go over the snow. Because we gotta have some snow, right? I don't have everything out. We'll see. Oh, can't see, can't see. We are going to put the snow. Let me see here. And the baby finger, the pinky. I think that looks stunning. Clean your stamper. If you are new to stamping, this is the steps. Pick up ever so lightly on your plate. You don't need to apply pressure. Clean your plate in between each image. Always clean your stamper between each image. Clean everything between each image. That's all you gotta do. Okay, we have got the snow. And let's see. I really want this deer. I'm gonna do, so if this works with this color, I'm gonna use Mirror Mirror. I'm hoping this works well on the red. Check your image to see if it is a good pickup, and we have a beautiful pickup. Go on the middle finger. You can see them, but not as well as I had wanted. Now I'm going to go in for the moon. Should have put some snow behind them. Oh, it's been a while since I've used the yellow. It's been a while since I've stamped, like I told you. It's been a hot minute. I've been busy learning my acrylics, learning other new things, was messing with the poly gel for a while. Let's hope this turns out well. Shoot. And I'm not liking that pickup at all. Let's see the yokes in the back. Okay. Let's redo this. Clean the stamper again. Flipped it over. Now we gotta clean it. There we go. Take off any excess you do not want on your nail. Oh, that turned out really nice. Really nice. Kind of wanting some snow around that deer though. I don't know if I can pull that off, but I'm going to try. See how this one goes. Sorry for reaching for the camera. Clean up any excess that you don't want. There. We are through with that plate. Now, we got here some Christmas trees. Gotta have some Christmas trees. And I'm going to need my no smudge top coat. Been a minute since I've used that too. Okay, got that out. Let me give my stuff a shake here. You're going to be using, oh, we should use those Christmas trees. Huh. Oh, what to do, what to do. Gotta have some Christmas trees. Pick up ever so lightly. There we go. Got a little bit of residual on the sidewalls. That looks beautiful. Find my cotton ball. Ooh, that green's really down in there. So like I said before, make sure you check out all the Glitter Girls videos. There's probably somewhere around 20 of us, I believe. So start at the top, or whichever where you are now, work your way down, check everybody out. Please subscribe to everybody's channel, including mine if you have not already. I'd so greatly appreciate that. Okay, our next image will be where's my Oh, what shall we do? Alright, sorry about that. Had to watch the time with video show. Wanted to make sure of where I'm at. I want to do these here. So there we go. That's a nice stamper. That's brilliant. There we go. There we go. And your side walls. I think that turned out really beautiful. Close your products up. I'm going to use a no smudge top coat by Born Pretty. I do not have a code for them. If I have time, I think Pumpkin has a code. I'm not certain, but if so, I'll get it put in the description box. Whoops. Wouldn't be a video if I didn't say whoops, right? So we're gonna go in. Oh, I gotta put the bling on. Well, Whoa, 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 whoa. We'll jiggle in just a second. We'll put this on. Give everything time to get dry for just a brief minute. And that's when I'll do the bling. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my little Christmas mani. It's nothing like exceptional. I just wanted something simple and Christmassy. And I love this red. Love, love, love it. So we are going to put some bling on now. Find what I did with them. Thought I was prepared for everything, didn't I? So I'm going to get my little lips wax picker upper. I shouldn't use the sheet for that. Well, how fast am I going to work? Ouch. Probably not fast enough, but I'm going to try it. Let's see how this picker upper works here. Beautiful. Now if I can get, there we go. There we go, and one more. There we go. Beautiful. Now, you don't go over them with the top coat, but I am going to go around them. Just to hold them in. I think that looks stunning. Don't you? Let me move there. I think that is just stunning. Look at the way that sparkles. So we're going to top coat the rest of the nails now. Hope everybody has a blessed Thanksgiving, listen to me. A blessed Christmas, and not forget the meaning behind it. Which I know doesn't tie in with my mani, but still. Here we go. We are finished. This is my Glitter Girls Merry Christmas. I think that turned out really nice. Love the thumb. Love the shine on those stones. Don't you? Love it, love it, love it. So, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, please. Don't forget to click the bell. And please watch everybody's video in entirety. I know everybody would greatly appreciate that, as would I. And have yourselves a merry, blessed Christmas. Thank you.